different types of parties. Like now costume party is a
We'll have dinner party, New Year party.
no, we are talking about the costume party now. Okay, so costume party is wearing a different types of different certain clothes, wear certain clothes to look like a famous person, or a character in a story, or a character in a cartoon, or a character in a movie. So people come with different clothes. Come, they come up with different clothes, different get-ups, different types of masks, which are very famous. Yes, so that is called a costume party. Any one of you, can you tell me what is a costume party?
You can wear,
Huh?
you can wear any dresses for a costume party. There were different types of makeup, different types of dresses.
Yes, yes. Looks like then we will
They
look.
will make different types of cakes and
Yes, yes, Varnika. Yes, so different types of yes, different types of clothes to look like a famous person or a cartoon or a character like a story. Yes. So now you tell me, if if you are invited for the costume party, now I'm going to ask you, listen carefully. If you are going to if you are invited for the costume party, you want to look like Veda, you want to look like a
I want to look like a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Tarini,
I want to look like a fairy.
okay. Suryansh,
Motu.
Motu, or okay. Manha,
Chutki.
huh?
Chutki.
Chutki, okay. Janvi, you want to look like a
Butterfly.
butterfly. Ketana,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to look like?
Man.
You want to look like a
Man.
man, big man with big mustache and beard.
No.
Yes,
I want a monkey.
monkey.
Yes.
Arey, monkey boy. Okay, Ayan, you want to look like?
Rudra, ma'am.
Rudra. Okay, Arohi, you want to look like?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Ashrita, you want to look like?
Princess or fairy.
Oh, princesses, fairy. Good. Vinith,
Ma'am.
you want to look like?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Oh, Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to look like Hayati?
Fairy.
Fairy. Okay. Sai Ritvik?
Rudra.
Huh?
Rudra.
Rudra. Oh. Tanvisri,
Ma'am.
you want to look like?
Princess.
Princess. Okay. Pradiksha, you want to look like? Unmute fast, Pradiksha. Unmute yourself.
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Wow. Arhan, you want to look like?
King.
King. Oh, oh, nice. King. Siddharth, you want to look like?
Arjun.
He's not there in the class. Ayansh Gupta, you want to look like?
Lion.
Lion. Wow. Swarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to look like?
Dinosaur.
Oh my God, everyone will scare. Advit Guja,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to look like?
Policeman.
Wow, good. Mayuri, you want to look like?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, cute rabbit. Okay, Sudhamsh, you want to look like? Sudhamsh, he's not there. Rohit Chaudhary, Rohit, Rohit. Okay. Hanvit. Fine, okay. They are not responding. Okay, children. So, very good. So, you want to look like a lion, fairy, lots of things you have shared today. Very good. Next, we have a dinner party. So, how many of you are ready for the dinner? Everyone are ready for the dinner? Okay, very good. So, now let's see what is a dinner party. Look into your book. Look into your book. A party where a small group of people have an evening meal. When people together, they are going to have evening meal. That is called a dinner, right? Dinner party. Sometimes we call out the people. Yeah, we call out the people for the small gathering and we will have our dinner together, right? Yes, with our friends or family members. We'll gather our family members, we'll gather our friends together, and we'll have our dinner together. That's called a dinner party. Next, we have New Year party. Yay! Yes, we have celebrated our New Year party on January 31st December, right? Yes, 31st December and 1st January. How many of you have celebrated this New Year party? Everyone, very good, very good. So now you are going to tell me how you have celebrated your New Year party. Ready? Yes? Okay. So first we will start with Hayati. Hayati, tell me how do you celebrate? Hayati? Hanvit, you have not joined with your audio, and Dhriti, your audio is not connected. Come on, Hayati, fast, unmute. Yes, tell me. You you have cut the cake. Good. Okay. Yes.
Miss, I cut the cake and I danced.
Dance.
Everybody too. And we ate cake.
Okay, good. And next, Hanvit,
Yes, ma'am.
have you celebrated New Year party?
No, ma'am.
No, you have not celebrated New Year party. Then what you did on 31st December and January 1st, Hanvit? Hanvit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what you have not celebrated. Okay, Sai Joshit. Oh, Sai Joshit has not joined with the audio. Okay, fine. Yes. Ayan,
Ma'am.
tell me, have you celebrated the New Year party?
Yes.
Tell me, how did you celebrate?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your party? Tell me.
We will play dance.
You danced. Okay, good. Tanvisri,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, you celebrated?
Ma'am, I feel the rangoli
Okay.
and I cut the cake and I eat.
Where I ate. Very good. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, how do you celebrate your New Year party?
Cake.
Very good. You cut the cake. You have cut the cake. Good. Sai Ritvik, Pradiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, how did you celebrate?
I will dance.
You danced, okay. Pradiksha,
I will dance.
you also danced, okay. Ketana,
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, tell me, how did you celebrate your New Year party?
I cut cake.
You cut cake, okay. Ketana, you?
I cut cake.
Okay, everyone cutting cakes, okay. Manha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what you did on your New Year party.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. You don't know, ma'am. What you did, you don't know.
I wear new dress.
You okay? You wore a new dress. Good, good. Ashrita,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
When I cut the cake,
Huh?
I dance.
You danced while cutting the cake. You danced. Good, good. And yes, Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh is not at all responding. Advit Gujja, Rohit Chaudhary, fast. Mayuri, no respond. Okay. Yes, children. So this is a New Year party. Do you know any one of you can sing any New Year song now? Sai Ritvik want to sing? Okay, Sai Ritvik, tell me.
Ma'am, I will dance with Dance Plus.
You have, okay, you danced on the New Year party. Good, good, good. Any one of you want to sing the song for the New Year? Raise hand. Manha want to sing. Manha and Ayan. Yes, Manha, sing.
New Year party is so happy, so fun. We can cut the cake.
Very good, very good. Very good. Yes, still anyone want to sing? Anyone of you? Mayuri, yes, Mayuri.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Come on, sing fast.
New Year party, it will so beautiful. It will so beautiful.
Third period.
We can dance in the New Year
నేను
party.
అసలు క్రియేట్ చేయలే ఇంకా. Yes.
We can dance in the New Year party.
Self-created song. How nice. Very good, Mayuri. Yes, Tarini.
I'll sing Deck the House.
You want to sing?
Deck the house.
Okay.
Deck the house in thousand hollies. La 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 la. Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Dolly Nana, Gary Power. La 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 la. Jolly Asian, you take care of. La 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 la.
Very good, very good. Come on, clap for everyone. Everyone has shared your good opinions, your experience, and the way you celebrated your parties Very children, very nice. And next party, let us go to the next party. We have pool party. Wow, what is a pool party? Party in a swimming pool? Party in a swimming pool. We'll see what is that party, okay? A party where the guests gather in or around a swimming pool and splash or play around in water. Yes, I'm right. A party in the swimming pool. Yes, people play in the water, people jump in the water, people they eat in the water, they yeah, they wear the tubes or the pads, they have a pad, sleeping pads or the swimming pads. They'll sit there, they'll drink the juices, they'll eat. Yes, all and they'll enjoy in the pool. That is a swimming pool party. You, any one of you had this party, swimming pool party? No, when you'll come to school, no, we have a swimming pool in the school, right? So we will celebrate this party once. Okay. Okay. Next party is a theme party. Theme party. Yes, Ritvik and Tarini want to share something. Yes.
Ma'am, we have in a school, in a swimming pool, we can swim.
Yes. When you'll come to school, we will do that.
Miss,
Okay. Yes, Tarini.
a long time ago in India, we had a swimming pool nearby, and my friends and my father and mom came, and I used to play with only a small circle because I was little.
Okay, good. So where you are saying there is a pool nearby your house, there is a pool?
Yeah, but little bit far.
Okay, then you can enjoy the party in the swimming pool.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So next one we have theme party, children. What is theme party? Here one theme will be given to the people. Yes. Some theme is given. Like now we are having our theme 1, theme 2, theme 3. Yes. Now this related to the theme only, all subjects are taught for you, right? In that way only one theme will be given. Okay, a party where the food, decorations and clothes of the guest are connected to a theme. Example, Bollywood theme. Okay, leave it that example. One more example I will give you. Ocean. Your theme is ocean. Then what you have to do there, how you have to dress up. Everyone has to dress up in a blue color because ocean looks blue. And your cake should be a blue color cake. Your decoration will be blue color with blue color papers and blue color balloons. Okay, understood now? Everything related to that theme. Everything related to that theme. For example, if I give a party, if a theme is a flower, then what we have to do? A decoration will be fully with the flowers. Cake will be in the flower design. Your dresses, on your dresses, flowers should be there. Understood? Okay, floral dresses. So that is called a theme party. Related to one theme, everything should be planned. Your costume, your cakes, your food, your decorations. Okay, everything will be planned as per the theme. Understood? That is a theme party. Next one we have Christmas party. We know this Christmas party. Yes, in the month of December, we have done it. December 25th, we had a great Christmas party in the school. And at your homes also, you have celebrated. Yes, Santa will come there. Santa Claus. Yes, Santa come with lots of gifts. There is a Christmas. There will be a Christmas plant. Yeah, we give and exchange the gifts with our friends and family members. We'll cut the cake, we'll wear a new dresses, and our mama will cook very delicious and tasty food at home, sweet. We'll enjoy that. Yes, all these things. And let's sing one song on Christmas. Everyone knows that Jingle Bell song? Yes, let's sing once. Let's sing that song for the Christmas party. Come on, let's start. Come on. Jingle bell, come on. Start. Jingle bell, jingle bell, yes. Loud, loud, loud. Very good.